all you need to know about your favorite housemate, White Money. Friends, you're most welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. If you're old, you're super duper welcome. All right, check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. My great people, I said today I thought no ever bad path. I'm gonna bring on una table one of the most talk about Big Brother Naija season 6 housemate, where they call and say shine your eyes. Alright, so some more shine our eyes onto him biography. And no other person than White Money, where in real name na Hazel Oyenye Onu. We small, everybody they call him White Money, but na real name be that. They born am yo 6th of July 1992. No be small thing, the Bonham also come bring an up for Enugu State, wey be in hometown. My correct people them in been live many years for Enugu before he can carry leg waka go to go find greener pastures for inside Lagos. White Money background, Rosie, my correct people them in helping mama sell food just to make ends meet as in be youngy boy that time. My correct people them waiting make way White Money they sweet many people belle, and because of in comic nature, in simple nature, and over realness where they worry am.
You see, I love now where they carry do anyhow for this Oberega industry. Hey, I go show now say I don't wanna met hello. No they try me. No they think I'm think. I go show you say I know you're meant. Forget I never blow. Now me no use the right oil. The oil where I used to expire. But they come back. All of them they look down on me. Hello, when I go here, I'm on the fire. Even if you drive the biggest, most luxurious ride in Lagos State, as far as in Lagos, my brother, trust me, traffic go humble you. You hear me so? Traffic go humble you. Die. You go hear what? See my area. I will carry your rose rice. They come out. Are you mad? I thought I had one. What can I get? I get in. I got. Share share. You go reach. I'm gonna do it.
My correct people them. This nature of White Money don't carry fame come in domot, as many people don't like him. Certainly even this person, they're so talented. He use salt, packet of salt, carry draw White Money. Now, so, Nigerians will get talents, don't they showcase their talent, just as they've been do for Lekon, like this artist now. As they do this one now where White Money never come off for house, they go tag the artist where they so talented, we do this wonderful drawing. From there, the artist might go follow, get followers, and so the level be. When he don't come off for house now onto biggie money before you go fit post anything for him page. Alright, so my correct people them. So now just the level be that he is so loved. He is so loved. Ever since they unveil White Money, 24th July 2021, and so we done the trend all over social media. So as many fans, then they seek say at all on bad pass, they would like to know more about my correct people them White Money, just like every typical Igbo man, and every other hardworking Nigerian, he don't hustle in many ways, just so say he go feel put food for on top of his table and roof over his head. As he don't tell us several times, he said they no born with silver spoon, him himself don't hear not say say he don't do photography, he don't fix generators, so he don't fix telecommunication marks, so certainly he say he don't work as Okada rider just to make ends meet. my people them in say even they into clearing of luxurious cars, like wetin white money never do. Many things I know able to mention here in don't do. But in talk say the one way can't give them fast sales when can't they make money, they get big clients inside. He say the importation of in designer shoes them. It's an get big plan to take their business to the next level. And he won't get his own shoe brand. Say in wish and in dream be that. White money don't follow Chucky hand put for music as one of in discussion with him fellow BB Naija housemate. He can tell and say he get some few tracks to in name. Well, white money don't describe himself. He say him be open-minded person, jolly good fellow where they like to jollificate well. He say in hobby include driving or hustling or they watch movie and to they make music. He say he get great fashion sense and he consider say in swag they on another level and he control say he follow get jewelry line and in they follow make lip balm from scratch. From in look you go see say in they really do that lip balm because they work for them well. Well, white money now very simple young man, just like every other young man, but in the down to earth, in service speak Yoruba or Igbo and English well, and in the hustle, like say tomorrow no day for Legosi, and in the very popular for market when they call and say Oju Elegba. He promise us say during his stay for Big Brother Naija house, say he go entertain us, he go have fun, he go make sure say he expose himself like no waiting he never know before, meet new people, and he go win the prize. So as we dey see things, they play out everything when they talk say he go do, he don't do. The prize man fit still land in hand. The way in the gather fans like say tomorrow no day, and it's very careful even with the dummy sells them, may they no come spoil in game. Well, according to estimation where I read somewhere online, it does say that you can estimate his net worth from $30,000 to $50,000. So my correct people, I know they sure, I know if you put my stamp there, I don't know. So my correct people, them him himself, he never brag say get this, he get that, and I don't know where that bogus figure come out from. But he don't trust anybody where one know who him be, just as every other Igbo man be. Say make it follow and go village. He say them their own body now for village, now then they show no be for their place of work. They can show us example on people like Obi Kubana, E-Money, Kubana Chief Priest. As white money na guy man, we like better thing. He don't describe himself say saying they like exotic cars and when they see even most of him pictures so when I go see online and so in they post for front of correct cars. My correct people them even cars where they produced by famous manufacturers like Lexus, Mercedes Benz, Kia, Hyundai, and Toyota. White money they post. My correct people them now say white money now for Lagos will live to us. I tell una before where fortune can smile on them for him importation business. If you say even though he go talk about in hustling story, how he don't suffer for life, if you see the way they enter fresh into the house, you gonna say this one belle they chop better thing, like in they chop better thing and the thing they show for him body wella. Alright, so my correct brother, just the level with that. Just the level with that concerning in social media. When I don't say I think I enter the house, I saw him followers come the skyrock. Just how many days ago they celebrated 500. Now it don't reach 530,000. Wow. White money they grow. Just how many weeks into the show, and look at how he has grown so super fast. Well, I wish him well, I wish him well, and I pray he secure the bag, because it's all about the bag.